am life here. But just Nilo. Kayla! My friend.
How bad?
I don't want to look difficult today, my friend. You know, so when me forward, you know, if it's not monetary, you know where you go. But, you can't help me though. I just want to go small, and I'm not too huge.
Fire. If me lend you my money, you have to give me back my money, you know.
No. You ever lend me money yet? I'm going to give back.
It not happen yet.
No worry yourself, man. I look for 150,000 borrow. I just want to emergency.
It's not small, but a big amount.
I know still, man. No worry yourself. I look at data. Want to go on one school trip. And I don't want. No, man. 50,000 I have to cover school trip and put one little thing to deal with one different thing. So back up one little thing because end of the day, we go one, you get back to 50,000. And then you work out that way. So no worry yourself.
Alright, I'm going to lend you the money. But if you come back in 2 weeks' time.
No worry yourself, man.
So you want it? You want it for your account or in a paper?
Send it to my account. Because I'm just using my card. I'm going to my machine to swipe off and use my card.
Alright, send a bank information.
Alright, I left my phone on the charger for my neighbor yard. So as I reach home, I send information. I send it to him. No worry yourself. Me if you go put a little thing on it, no worry yourself. I put you on a percentage for
Alright, make sure you know. Make sure
you're my real friend, no worry yourself.
Alright, 2 weeks time, you know.
2 weeks time. Don't worry yourself, man.
Alright.
My good feet.
Okay.
Yeah, man, enough respect. Thank you again, my friend.
Yes, big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
Yes, big up yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know how much people me check and then turn me down?
No, remember say me your friend for a long time, so me I go lend you the money.
Even my family me check and then turn me down. I see good friend is better than family.
Yeah.
Mommy, where you got so much money from?
Come sit right beside me. See this money? This money. This have to build a nice house when me get some more. A long time me I save the money here. Here. But you know you is a girl. You don't like when your ears stay so bad and it pull out now. So I will give you money out there and take you to the hairdresser. Don't lift it up. Cause I don't want you to expose your hair if you don't comb. Make it stay like that.
I'm just trying to put it up on the
No, make it stay. Make it stay. It's okay. You look nice. You look pretty just the way you are. Okay? And mommy love you. Hold this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And I'm gonna put up this. And go go. Alright.
Okay, now go back on the room.
Alright.
Bye, mommy. Love
Okay,
you.
I'm gonna put this in a jar right here. So here. Alright. Okay, so tomorrow you go to the hairdresser here, my baby?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna pick up this.
No, I have to tell my friend this. Where she get so much money from? Not from
Yo, Candy. Yeah, man, me there on my back, you can't call me. Yeah, man.
Boy, girl, I'm tired of text. Till when you call me, that's something me did. Let me take off my shoes. Wait. Oh, God. What? Right. Oh, God. Girl, I don't know me tired. And then when you call me, the amount of clothes when I wash, girl, me never know some of them don't wash them till now. All the line drop down. Me have to pick up my clothes them, they re-rinse them over again and I put up my softener. The softener, you know, me could put softener on the bag. See how much money when me throw in I want a girl, all that waste. This big old line, heavy with the clothes them because I say Melissa. But come, and then we know no current and no water, so one heap of dirty, I don't say no dirty, sound too good. One heap of dirty clothes. Me did have. I wash. Look at me and name with that up. Watch it. Me wash from last week till now. I water just over. So you have to know, girl, you tell me more.
I know, say still I want money me borrow from you. That I want school trip to go, so.
Girl, not tell no lie. Right now me broke. If me did have money, I would surely give it to you. Because you know me always win it.
But you like me say I get some money overseas.
Yes. But you will believe me because every time you borrow money from me, give it to you.
Well,
So now me cannot lend you. You have to believe me. I have no money, me not get that the money they get.
alright, not a problem. Me find someone else. Yes,
Alright, so I just let you go and talk about
yeah,
it.
man.
Alright. But in case any little thing come up, if I see myself with money, we just lend you. See? But for now, me not have no money. Sorry about that. So girl, what's going on with your store?
That thing not going, you know. From the big old sheen, open up, girl. Nothing. Can't sell nothing. Panty gazier, nothing. Because guess what? They say more cheap over there. But me have to do it, you know, because, you know, for me that I have to go for the trip. What about for that, you know?
Man, that time I don't pay for you already. Pay for you a long time. Girl, you know I say rough sometime. But just take it easy.
Man, I say yeah, man.
If you have no money, I don't have no money right now.
Still I go and do some things.
Yeah, man. So what happened to the customer them where they tell me about so then you trust them? That time before December. You not pay yet?
Not even them, me not see.
You're right.
I had a day, I see one of them pass gone over Sheen.
My Nancy Candy.
Morning, honey, what's up? Alright?
Yeah. Mommy,
Yes, baby.
Auntie Candy didn't pay money pay for school trip.
She said she not have money. So I don't think I'll go on the trip. But I still will try to work out something still.
Alright, Mommy.
So don't worry yourself.
I'm going to leave right now, yeah?
Yeah, man, just
So
take
take care of
care.
yourself too. Alright. Alright, you here?
Yes, Auntie Candy.
Okay.
Alright.
The way you put on a nice suit, yeah.
Ay, na-jam dia look. Mending ko na friend nung isang das puta na siya.
You pretty do pa yun. Anyway, we all go to school. So, just go to the back. We all go to school.
Alright.
You know you want to?
Here. You know which part you're going now?
Yeah.
Where?
No.
You don't know where you're going? You go do your ear. Your ear want do. Me not have no time to do that now because me busy. You understand me? And me tell you something. You see, anytime me tell you nothing and you tell nobody again, me go bust your ass. What me say?
I'm telling my body not gonna bust me.
Okay, so you go a hairdresser now. Where you going?
Yeah, just a no.
And you're going to do your ear. And so when you're going to people them hairdresser, you're going to say hi or good day, good evening or whatever. And when you reach in there, you say hi and sit down and wait till then do your ear. Me know why you people they chat like I am a big woman and they tell them what me say. When me discuss with you, it's me and your business, not people.
Okay.
So don't tell stranger my business. What me say?
Don't tell stranger your business.
Okay, love you, baby. Alright, nobody go chat. No, you know, cause enough time, me realize enough time when you tell you things until you don't talk. Here, no, me not talk. And as we reach out the road, me hear say you say this and say that. Nobody do it again. Can you say all the rest of the time don't give you a chance? This time you not get no chance. You go bust your ass. You hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
I got to drink someone.
No, wait. Let me take out the and give it to you. Here. Yeah?
Thank you.
Okay. And see money here in your bag. See money here.
$2.
How much money?
$2.
Good girl. Yeah, bright girl. Come. And while you sit down in there, you can study your book or you go on your something. You understand? Come. Remember when I tell you that?
Yeah.
What me say not to do?
Tell nobody I'm busy.
Okay, alright. Later me come back for you here.
Since you tell you, I don't want you to go bother to a lot of people because the last time you tell a lot of people, you tell everybody, that's why everybody know my business. So I don't want you to go tell nobody. This is what happened at my house wall. I go stay at my house wall. And I go tell them this. No go back, go tell nobody.
Girl, I like say you know me as that person. If I walk and I tell people I blaze. Girl, if you tell me, it's up to me.
So, make catch up back later, yeah?
Yeah, my mother said me do that. Anyways, me see you later. Yeah, later.
No one knows what people. You not get to make nothing out of shop today. I know how you are go on the chicken.
Me want to go find chicken at all I'm friend and I now get to go. Auntie Candy that I can go to.
I don't got no money.
Auntie Candy at the level says no money. She have money. I said, Mommy, I forgot to tell you. You see, Auntie Candy daughter tell me, say, he mother have some money up in yard in a one drawer. So, you don't know if you don't know, you just get come tell you. And she said, me know if you come carry business come to me.
Lion dangerous. Anytime you no money, you know. I get in call yourself, your friend. Alright, don't worry yourself. Come on, we are going.
Mommy, we're tired. I'm tired.
Okay. Come here. Let me see you here. Okay, so you're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'm looking beautiful too.
Thank you, baby. Come here. Come here with that now. You know no say. Today my friend Jessie come call me and they ask me if me have no money can lend her. I hope you not tell nobody say this with no money, you know.
No
I mean hide no
money.
money, you know. Come. Listen to me. You hear what me just say? Me say the money when me put down in the drawer. If you do my business and if you take care of you and if you do some little something for me and you, I hope you not tell nobody.
Yeah.
Cause me don't know out of the blues this girl when me lend money how much time. I come call me, tell me if you come off here and check on ask me if me can lend her money. Me have no money can lend her you know. Me give her enough money already. Some of the money then when me lend her she not even give me back. No man. You tell nobody? Don't shake your head for your mommy.
No, Mommy.
Okay.
Especially my 30 friend.
What happened to her?
So we got to learn matter.
Oh, make sure you say nothing to her. Yeah? Mommy love you. Not tell nobody mommy business here. Alright.
Mommy, why and I was done nothing happening?
Why?
Yeah.
You see these? Take them off. Make you see them. These, you realize you three of them? They have 3 uniform, right? So every morning you notice, you take off one, half of each one. Me have to put down the hanger here over there.
But
so
Mommy,
for your uniform then. Me no want put no clothes on them to bend them up. Me then stay which part what. Them they alright up there, so me not them alright. Me talk about this. I feel up your uniform them. When me press them, you could take them off one and go to school and man time come. You can't but I forget up every
oh
morning
Mommy,
and
you
press.
hang them up. When me go to school, they hang them up right yes, so but then I wash right now, so.
No, they're dirty now. Me must say a weekend. You're not going to school on weekend. You understand? Yes, so we wash them tomorrow or so. So you can go to school Monday. Okay, baby?
Yes, Mom, me go sleep.
Alright.
So we're tired. Let's come
Okay.
out for the boy.
Alright.
Yo, what one? You want to know, sir? Oh, tell me the man with the hotel. You can't talk too loud, but Now the same chick there. You see him hot girl there. Yo, we get the money from borrow from Kayla. What day? Yeah man. So my daughter, she will get to go but she want to go. Yo, we check everyone in my family. Nobody now let me no money like that. And Kayla them want 50 grand and wait. Turn over it and never could change pan, put them could change pan top of it too. Yes, I'll tell me they'll be low for a little while and thing. You know what I mean? But if things would do, man, what go on your side? She in a room, the man. Me then like bathroom. Hotel kind of pricey though, but you have to live some life sometime. Right? Yeah, man. That is it. Yeah, man. Know yourself, man. You'll get for your money, man. No say a word, man. Ah, your boy. Yeah, man. Alright.
Yeah, me I come. I see me I come pick up you now, man. Me I come. Alright. I left me a left out you know. Yeah. Come, me I lock the door and come out you know.
No, you tell me. What are you doing with fish? I can't get fish. Tori can't get fish.
Shina, come, mommy. Yes. We're putting that here. Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy. Shh.
Tired, my girl. Let me see you here. Looking real nice. Boy, she can do your hair nicer. You look pretty. Come here, my baby. Oh, mommy love your hair.
Yeah.
Kiss mommy. Alright. Guess what? You remember the surprise when I tell us I'm going to do for you? I'm going to buy something for you tomorrow. So, and then I'm going to take you to KFC. Right? And I'm going to secretly tell you. And when you see your friend, don't tell your friend, you're going to surprise her. I'm going to carry you and your friend go on Wendy's. I want to go be. I'm going to get anything you want to eat, right? So maybe put on some money to do some important stuff. And I'm going to take all the money out of it. But I'm going to give one little pocket money so tomorrow you can buy something for yourself. There, my baby? Alright.
Oh, what is mommy?
Yeah, man, I'm looking at this. Something, my head, no, not tell me it's my head up.
She's me, I could get things.
What is this? I don't understand. I don't understand where they go on here, so I don't understand. Hold on there. I don't understand. How much of this? Alright, wait. Hold on. Let me see if I'm me. Now I think straight. I'm sure say that dry and I put my money in. Come back right here, son. Sit down. They soon talk to you, don't move. Me swear so me put some money in. I know this me put the money in and me put some money in that jar here. Jesus Christ. Lord have mercy, my daughter. Somebody take with him all of the money when we put in the jar. Somebody really come in and come break the house when they gone. Like me never lock the door, but no man. No, I want to see if the door here have problem when you lock us. Me sure say me put it a lock. I don't understand how they come in here so come break the house and take out the whole of money.
Mommy, you a lucky girl?
The girl inside the baby, I may never lock it. I just close the door.
Yes, but mommy, they can still come in through. They can break down the door and fix it back.
The whole of money gone now. What me I go do? The girl inside, I may never lock it. I just did close the door. Oh Jesus. My daughter. Nobody tell your friend about the Wendy's when you say me I go carry go here. And we may want to surprise the two of them and buy something for you and her. But it not going to work out again. Because then take away the whole of the money. Everything they take away, they not even left $1 US, not even 100 US. They gone with everything.
Mommy. That means I'm not going to go on a school trip.
Hey, baby. You know say mommy love you, not true? Don't worry about this school trip. Here? Don't worry about this school trip. Mommy already did sort out that for a long time. You're still going on the trip. Here?
Yes.
So don't worry yourself. Mommy love you. Here? Whosoever thief the money there, I pray God deal with them for me. Father God, deal with them. Because you know say something important me did want that money there for you. But don't worry yourself. At the same time, God bless me back with some money. I will take out you and your friend here. But nobody tell her nothing at all. When we're ready to do it, we tell you. And we bring out the two out here. Love you, my baby. Don't worry yourself. You're not hungry.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay, alright. Oh Lord.
Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, the sweet liquor island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see the fun can done. 7 Mile of white and panding in grill side. Link ski connection and go for a ride. Horseback riding, parasailing in the day. Then go and watch the sunset at the Rigs Cafe. Cool runnings water park for the whole family. Or Dolphin Cove on the way to my bay. I do the rafting down by Martha Bray. At Margaritaville you can chill all day. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, sweet liquor island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see the fun can done. The curves and turn a firm gully. You're in Jamaica, so don't hurry. Don't pass the craft item vendor. You have to purchase things to remember. Ripe banana, mangoes and sweets up. And the birds singing sweet songs in the treetop. Bob Marley Museum, let's go see that. You see in Jackson record, we're gonna eat that. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica.
Oh, go on, my daughter.
Mama.
Oh, you on the trip?
It's so good money.
So you spend half your money already here? Nobody not ask about how much money I spend. How where you get so much money from?
Yeah, so I think they ask how to get so much money. Let me tell them some money that go work and get some money.
Oh boy, you have sense. Yo, that's what I love you saying now. You have sense, yo. Get me on. Don't worry yourself. Just keep it up and I know it.
I'm going.
Hi. What was it?
Girl, it's stressed out right now.
I was stressed out.
It's stressed out. It's stressed out.
Can I get this?
Alright. Thank you.
I was
Girl.
stressed out now.
You know, no money can in me.
Like also.
I know. The money what I want. I don't think I have so much, but if I can give 150,000, maybe borrow it until we get some money, because somebody breaking on the house and thief out the money we have.
Huh?
And
What you
I
say?
want if you do something important. You don't understand me?
What you say?
Somebody come in at my house and it's like they stir up everything. They broke in at my house.
Jesus, please, and people want to get killed.
Thief out every cent, every dollar, every money when they have, they gone with it.
So anybody do that must get killed, man.
Girl, right now, I don't have no more I want to live. Me ball. So thief, but if anybody will thief that money,
But wait, can you? Wait, back up. You never tell me say that no more.
Alright. You hear me tell you something never have no money. But you don't understand.
No, but you tell me point blank as a friend say you don't have no money. So how you mean say them broke in your house now and take your money?
Alright. Let me get to the point. Why? You don't understand. Not even know
Well,
how to
let me
start this.
understand. Let me understand.
I don't know if you start this to tell you how it go, whatever. But listen, let me tell you something. I did have more money. I couldn't lend you it. I did have something very important to start
But
out.
Candy, all they could have said, Jess, you know, say me have a money, but we can't touch it. But you tell me say no money.
Girl, me a friend. And you always ask me and me always lend you. But to me know some people still you lend them 99 times. And the one time if you make 100, they vex with you and malice you say, you don't want to give them and you mean and you this and you that and all sort of things. So true me never want you feel now me as a friend. I just tell you something I have none, but I couldn't tell you say.
No man, here you go way back.
I couldn't tell you
Here
something
you
I
go
be
way
on
back.
you.
No man, you couldn't do it. Come on,
Girl,
Candy.
that is somebody that will take out my money. When I don't pray for that somebody, them I say God for broke your neck.
Same thing we said.
Do you me work hard? Then are some people believe do some work and they spend some money on me. They spend money. You have to understand, you know, Jessica. Me and your friend and everything you tell me, you know. And everything you tell me. So me never have to tell you that. Say Ray. To me name why you feel bad. You don't understand, you know, right now me not no money. Me broke like a dog. You all of my money and plus me I'll send it and trip and money pass stick no me in and some deep shit. Me have problem, me have much sitting figure pay for me. I have no money you would. Well, you don't understand. So where is it?
Yeah man, we don't have so much, but we can get 50 grand. That can help you.
You can't do but we try and sort out here. As soon as we get back some money, we will give it back. And thank you very much.
No
I'm
problem.
sorry to disappoint you if I tell you lies and I never have no money, but God knows. Actually, I did have something important to do. But remember, I always lend you.
So you go man, so you go. Worry yourself, me I give you 50 grand. No worry yourself. Just don't take it too hard. Let's wait, yes. Alright, hold on for this time.
$500 US, you lend me.
Yeah, because I don't really know the ratio, you know. So in a
About
Jamaica.
78 grand is on 50,000 dollars.
Well, anyway, see, when you give me back, just give me back in a US
What on
because
it?
I'm an auntie for
Sorry,
a
that's
foreign.
so
No
much.
man, I'm an auntie for a foreign. So you know want to get deep and them thing that no want the money get mixed up and messed up. So you send me some and say, yo, just keep that for me. So all I do, I give me it back, just give me back in a US. So I say,
Girl, you know, say US, you miss the money in it.
oh my
We have
God.
one for US, so I don't remember how much. Everything missing. And you know, say US them people money in it too.
Oh my God.
One for US, me did have and then gone with every dollar, then I will left on $100 for me.
Man,
And that's
I'm
something
sorry for you.
important. Why? Anyway, me thank you very much, here.
Yes man, no worries.
Thank you very much, my friend. I'm glad to me and get friends too, you know. And I don't know what I do, because you are the only person coming in my head, think say if you come borrow money from.
That's alright man, you're alright.
Anyway, hold on there. Yeah, see, okay. You see, in case you don't care about the money come you on time, you can hold on to this. Hold on to this so till when me care about your money come you. Then you give me it back or you can take it if you want. Here?
No problem. No problem.
Alright, thanks here.
Yeah man.
Thanks a lot.
So me see you
This
next
can't do it, but it can make up. Alright, Jessica.
Thank you,
Later.
sir.
Thank you very much.
This girl is so. I know this one. Yes, my father. The panic is the panic order. I like don't this the panic this which I another mystery where I come from. Yeah. If you like, no, I like the pizza them where they hot. The cheese man. So, okay. That's it. I can't work snow and you see. Just guy I'm my best friend never tell you. You see? Yes, sir. You see, when I miss out your mother goes, me and my mother too. Because when I tell me tell my mother. Mama tell my body girl. You know say if me tell my mother now, she got angry at me. Okay, alright, so see, you can't tell your mother. Because if I tell your mother, me are going to get in trouble, you are going to get in trouble. And I have a problem, my mother go to jail. So why you not think about that? If I tell your mother we are going to get in trouble. Okay, you see? Just because you tell me, I'm going to tell me this, so sorry to say something like that. It's a thing you're going to say now. And also, you just stop at one store and buy some sweets and I'm going to be on here. Thank you. Welcome. Please, can you promise me? I'm not telling my mother, girl. Why would I? Make sure. Yes, me, I'll make sure that I'm not. Because yes, I'm not going to walk through it and then my mother has to go to jail. Are you going to do it? Come.
Hi. What's your name? Where is your mother?
Should you please talk to my friend?
Eh?
Should you please talk to my friend?
Oh, she talk to one of her friend up there? Alright, so I come to you later now here. I go home, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm tired. I'm not going to have no show on her nothing right now. I'm going to sleep same way. My mom will wake up and be there. I'm going to be there before I come out when I'm ready to do it. Alright, so make sure you go straight back to your mother now here.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Hello, look at that. Who is it? She. You turn me? Okay. I mean, when you think I'm in front of a stranger in here, no, that's already.
Mommy, I'm going to stay with you tonight. Mommy. Mommy. I want to stay with you tonight.
I'm feeling really alright.
I have something on my mind.
Come here.
Would you ask someone a question?
Come right here. Okay, okay.
Would you ask someone a question? If your best friend tells me why. And then Pinky swear, right?
Yes, sir, tell me again. Look for me when you're talking to me. What?
Then no, if you have a best friend, right? And then tell her one sweet, right? And then Pinky promise, right? You have to tell your mother.
Hey, baby. Let me get up. Out of all the best friends in the whole world, your mommy is the best friend you have. So even though he's your best friend, and the two of may be discussed, I don't know what I want to talk about, I want to Pinky swear, you can talk to your mother. And your mother, you have to tell any secret, because your mother is your best friend. So you can tell me anything, even though your friend said Pinky swear.
Mommy.
But before you talk, if your mother tell you something and say Pinky swear, you don't tell anyone. Okay? So what is it? Stand.
Okay, ready.
Where you say now? What happened to you?
You know, say, me know how to for money.
What?
I know how to for money.
Who thief the money?
Me accident tell my best friend, and my best friend go tell their mother, and my best friend and their mother come in here and thief the money.
What? Leah,
Yeah.
you sure of what you just said to me?
Yes, mommy, I wouldn't tell you no lie.
Hey, baby. I
I'm
believe
sorry.
you.
I know I won't do it again.
You sorry? Okay, I forgive you. But next time, when me, your mother, tell you something and tell you not to tell anybody, you don't tell anyone. Okay? Because you see now, you don't look on the phone, because maybe I'm a dirty friend that call me. Because she love borrow money. You can't bother with she. Listen to me now. Me tell you something. A matter of fact, me show you the amount of money and me tell you what me want to do with it. And you tell your friend. Me understand, because your friend, so you tell your friend and you're small. So I do understand, but next time you don't tell nobody that. Whatever your mother said to you or your father, you don't tell strangers. All when your friend, me not care. You don't tell nobody. Because if you did not tell your friend about our business that should be our secret, you boss it. So she go tell her thiefing mama when me take for my friend, and then the two of them turn on. So how you know say the two of them come in? Wait, how you know that?
Because my best friend told me.
Your best friend. That mean not true then. Because what no? When I think now and put 2 and 2 together, me believe you know me baby. You not tell me no lie. That is your best friend. Me accept you say you apologize, say you're wrong or whatever, and I forgive you. But if your best friend never like you as a friend, she wouldn't come back and tell us you're thieving mama, and she can't take out the money. Alright, my daughter. Come go sleep. Well, Andy, come here, baby. You know, say, the money when we take time of Pinky Punk upon and I spend me on you. And my friend lend me that and tell me say her auntie money she have. Eh? So that means say the money where she lend me and my own money she lend me. Jesus deliverance. Anyway.
Wait,
Mommy, you know, say, my best friend reach out, she buy me every little thing I want. She buy me a sweetie, and she carry school a big box lunch, she carry school.
Hey, so how much money she carry at school, sir?
She carry about 10 US at school. She rich out.
Hello. So she buy you, sweetie? Them we always not have no money and they call me and borrow money from me? And not even she, our mama. Anyway. Don't put this on your mind. You're very small, but I'm glad you're sensible and you're very smart. You hear me? Just lay down and sleep with your mommy. Maybe deal with it. Or yourself. Here? Alright. One heap of something on the bed. Lie down. I don't maybe baby. Watch.
Can go for my teddy bear?
Alright, go and get it in here. Alright. Come. Go on and come back. Jesus Christ. No man, me can't lie down in a peace. Torment, you know. Me can't believe. Say, just really do me something like this. Father God, you can't trust them. You feed your enemy. You eat with your enemy. The only thing me don't do with my enemy is sleep with them. Whatever thing the girl want, the girl call me and ask me for it on phone. Or she come on me and feed Father God and me give it to her and this she do to me. Come on. Lie down. I don't want to sleep yet. I'm already me lie down. I'm good man. Can't believe it. Jesus Christ, as me come in the yard and my slippers nearly pop out. I tell us your crosses. Oh, you know pop out. Come on, me drop. Jessica! What? Oh. Girl. Come here. Come. Jessica, come here. Me not even come in your house. Me don't want to come in your house. Come out here so to me. No, come out here so.
I'm here for one day.
I would there call. I want now.
Girl, my daughter tell me say, your daughter tell her say you come around my yard go and keep my money. Girl, that's when you hand me the money. And me say US come know you know normally you know always have money like that, you know, but say me always lend the money, you know. Girl, when you say you lend me 500 US, I swear to God, if you didn't notice the day when you lend me, oh me I look pan you and look pan the money, me I wonder where you get US from me one day for my money. But you see to me never want you to wrong for it.
No bother with that. How you mean your daughter say me? My daughter.
Your daughter tell my daughter say
You can't listen to
you.
Pitney.
What you mean? I know every kid's
You can't
lie.
listen to Pitney, man.
I know every kid's lie. Sometimes they speak the truth even
No,
better
no,
than
no,
some
no,
of
no.
we big people. Now tell me nothing.
No,
Girl,
no,
me and
no,
friend,
no.
you really do this to me?
No bother with it. No do it. You have proof? Eh?
You know what I say? My daughter. Me not say she not go tell no lie when she be going, but you see you know what
You
she smart.
can't believe Pitney.
My daughter don't tell lie.
You can't believe Pitney.
Me say Leah now go tell me no lie.
Yes, you can't go court and you don't have no proof. You can't believe Pitney. It's when you have proof, come to me.
Jessica,
It's when you have proof, then you come to me.
a long time me and friend. And your daughter and my daughter is friend. They go to the
Candy.
same school. And
Candy.
you tell me say, your daughter, don't tell my daughter that them are friend and them are kids, and that if you look into Pitney, tell Pitney everything what them see parents do. Girl, if me did know, say you come on me yard, me wouldn't borrow no money from you, know. Would I make police lock you up?
mean
But
you
you see,
borrow no money from
look
me?
here, me wouldn't borrow no money from you. Come here, borrow me own money from you.
No. Remember me tell us that my auntie send the money for. Alright, since I say your daughter, say my daughter and me, thief your money. You know what? Determine! Come here to me, baby. Come. Alright, Auntie Candy say, you tell her daughter, say me and you go up and here go to
Me never tell Auntie Candy that. Me never tell Leah that. Leah told her.
So what for your daughter? Where your daughter is?
Determine.
Yes, Auntie Candy.
You and Layla is friend. You never hold a conversation there with Layla. With Leah. Sorry about Layla. Leah, me fi say. Because she have one friend named Layla. But you have to understand me. Listen to me. My daughter told me that you said that to her. You never mentioned that.
Me never tell Leah that day. Me never tell Leah that day.
So you tell me say I lie, Leah they tell on you?
You say me tell
Girl,
her?
wait.
No.
Okay, so you believe your daughter, me not
Yes,
believe
me
my
I go
daughter.
believe her. Me I go believe her
Jessica, you
because guess
believe your
what?
daughter and me
You
not
shoulda
believe my
care with her when they
daughter.
come
Let me tell you
to
something. You see the money where you lend me? Right now my daughter be at me yard, you know.
You
Me
should
know
have
you-
care.
No, she there me yard. She there yard. Her yard she there. Me not have to walk up and down with her. Cause me not have to if and but. My daughter not tell me no lie. But you see, just remember this. You see the money where you lend, where you say you lend me? out of me money where you think of you.
Me
And
say,
they try
I'm
to
anti-money.
put things in my head.
Anti-money candy.
You're not get it back.
Please, let me get it back.
You're not gonna get it back.
Please, let me get
You're
it
not
back.
gonna get it back. You make sure
Alright.
say you give me back
You
the
want it for me. You say me I want you.
Listen to me.
Please, let me get my anti-money. Alright.
Jessica, you see the money where I let me look like you're not here. Can you buy them apart? You see through my mouth a loud speaker, me will repeat back myself. You see the money where you say you lend me out of my money where you think say me I go have in my head all long say your money and your auntie money and you lend me out there. Me? Girl, me! We stand up here so now go give you back. And you see the rest of money? After that the money where you lend me where you tell me out of your auntie money like a girl, you go have to give me back as a police. I go, me say police, I go come at your yard.
Yeah, him come.
Or something I go happen.
Give me back my anti-money.
If no police not come in your yard, something go happen. Jessica, me no no joking with you.
I have to give me back my anti-money, the girl. Me and your friend, you know, I say me I want you.
Jessica,
Alright.
me and your friend, you really are looking at me and they tell me lie.
Girl.
And you really serious to tell me to give you back me own money. So you that you really take it from the beginning till now. Me will always lend you money.
Me anti-money, so please, let me get it back.
I know that. Go for your auntie and you and your auntie go take it back from. Make sure so you have the rest of US, them where you have. Where you check out from one of me and the family say about the earth, girl, you're a thief. I can't believe you're a
Yes,
thief.
you have proof.
Jessica, me and your friend. And I can't believe say you do this to me. Out of all the person.
Me don't talk to you already. You don't have a proof. You don't have a proof. I'm saying more about me. Anti-money.
Listen me now.
Me I want it last time, you know. You're my friend. No want about anti-money. Alright.
One thing me know. You see anything my daughter tell me, me I go believe. You see when my daughter tell me, I eat me a old for now. You understand me? You see if you don't take it, I will come back and apologize to you. But Jessica, you see my neighbor them will live side of me? Pity you don't know that last week them put up on CC camera here. You know what is camera? And the one will go around anywhere you turn, it catch you. Anywhere you turn, it catch you. So anything you do, it catch you. So you see, them will come in 2 weeks time. And you see when them come, I will know. Because everything recorded, have the footage. Girl, let me tell you something. If me take me 2 big boy PI them and see you Jessica as my friend, when me trust so much.
Tap touch me candy.
Eh.
Tap touch me candy.
Yeah. Do it again, Jessica.
Me say fi tap touch me candy.
Do it again. Jessica, do it again. Do it again.
Alright.
Me not here. Jessica, you know what? Me not about that fight. I guess what me can't do me get up for me daughter. Jessica, you don't know what we really want to do to you, you know, girl. You laugh, you know, so you take everything for joke. Jessica, show me daughter, tell me something. Jessica, me say anyhow you see your friend.
Me laugh after it.
No, laugh. Cause anyhow are you the friend. Jessica, anyhow the friend. I foolishness like that?
Yes.
So I lie me daughter, tell me how to believe.
That time to present the proof.
Okay.
Me with her.
Jessica, you see, anytime me take my 2 big bulky them and see you on the camera. Funny people them camera, me I say film the camera, girl. A police, me I go take and phone like you. What?
Come over here. Come on. Cause I'll be a foolish attack. Go on. Be a foolish attack. Go on.
Alright, Jessica, you win. We know.
Action.
Can't take moderation. But wait. My father to send the assurance. Me and him.
Watch out. It's a girl you know. Yeah.
Hello, body done.
Go on, Kayla.
Good evening. Yeah, me not meant to call and it's a short notice, but the little money where you borrow from me the time there. Me wonder if you could get it or no. Because how long you say I make me get it and all now.
Oh. I no like you tell no, but hear me now, hear me. I just, me know say me say whether I give back the money already, but me just get caught up in some things. Guess what no? Yeah, hear what you say man, but hear what? Me no there in the island now man. No, me no there in the island, me there overseas me there.
What you say?
No man, me the overseas man. My phone the pan room and me can call me same way.
You know say you go overseas. You think you should pay the bill before you leave.
Give back your money.
So you could have left it with somebody. You could have left it with somebody to give me.
Yeah, me know say I could have left the money with somebody, but you are now. You hear the idea of left in puss with butter or puss with milk. We can't left money with Jamaican people. Then I go spend it and then you then a problem. You know what I mean? But it's just a rush. It's just a rush, man. It's just a rush. It's just a rush I fall myself into and I have to move.
Need the money. Right now, I go through some hard time. I broke. I need the money, man. I don't know. Hello. So when you plan to come back? I need my money, you know.
You know, so I'm supposed to soon come back. I'm not sure yet.
So like when? Where been by the...
You understand? So I don't like say me cut with the money and then we're there. You understand? It's just the fact say me have to move and
account. Send it to me account. Me give me account info and send it to me account, man.
you know so that's a good idea. But the big problem is no bank not there. I'm not the Virgin Island with them, man. I'm not the Virgin. I be a Virgin there. I don't know when I look at island them.
Every
a Virgin
island
me there. Be a Virgin over here. No bank not there.
Every island have bank.
Only bank they have over here, every bank. When most of man money go in a every bank. And that the bank that me see there, no bank not there. My money there over here. But now worry yourself, man. I'll put on a piece of money for you. Now worry yourself.
Hello.
You soon get your money, man. Here?
This is my fire. For the love of God. Go to a bank right now and send me money. Right now I'm broke. But shouldn't have my money, you know. You know, like me lend money 3 months now. You tell me when me lend it, you tell me say I'm get it back in a 2 weeks time. I'm on a 2 week pass.
Me and your friend, you know if you talk to me about money, so you know. Cause I'm not a friend deal with friend with
When
money.
you come on to my money, me and nobody no friend.
You have to wait till I come in, man. I'm soon back in Jamaica said speed. Well, me can't pinpoint that day and say me I come next year, this year, whatever year, but give me a little time, man. And when me reach back in that place, I want to take a little time before me can really, you know, go to a bank and get it from Jamaican bank and really. So if you see me, no really ambush me about it immediately. Just give me some time when you see me, right? But me not there in the island now. So you don't have to look for me. No coming off me, I can look for me and none at all, right? Because I'm not there. You know, I'm not waste of time.
Me and nobody no friend come on to my money. Me don't lend you my money. Me never tell you me I no friend. Me lend you my money. I know you take long to give me my money. Alright, when you come, yeah.
Alright? But as soon as me touch back Jamaica, yeah man. Yeah man. As soon as me touch back Jamaica, I go, yeah man, I go page. Listen me now, you don't have to call me back, you know. I say I go page you. I know say I look bad for no say oh Ray. Alright man, alright. No fair word. Alright.
Someone borrow my money and don't give me my hand or give me back my money, you know. Can't take by the way, I'm sure lend them my money. So I feel like black people, nothing.
Oh boy, you don't let the money do that go work out though, you know. Cause one thing, when you lend money, you should know that long time you can't lend where you can. You know, your friend and you lend more money and you that run me down and hunt me down for money. And if when me lend the money, you want to give me back. So that more for one, squeeze it out. One day if you squeeze it out with you.
Hello, come on, that's all. Come on, tell some man fire.
Well, go on. When I test me not there, you still look to me said way.
Me I talk to you on the phone while I go, you know. You're the Virgin Island. Or what's the name Virgin Island?
Yeah,
At Jamaica this. Or what's the name White House. You know Virgin Island. What you talk about?
You don't know what going on, man. You know a reason why me I tell you some of that foreign. I have to check for me because I don't have the money and I'm my friend.
See, I say I don't want to lend you my money, you know. So I don't want to lend you my money. You come and you borrow money, you tell me see I give back money in 2 weeks time. 2 weeks gone, how long? 3 months now since you owe me my little money. You want my money now?
Here we go on, man. You know say, I did have a money, you know. But I'm going to tell you something about CARRIBEAN. Come on, girl, God, with the whole like, I don't know. I have the money put on it. I have the money to give you. We put on the 50,000 plus one next 10,000 pounds, it, so 60,000 pounds to give you back. Yeah. Right? And when I say, I'm going to give you back that. I never do business.
So how am I get my money on now?
Put on the money on the bed.
You come with this sad
And
story now.
calm down, man. I say put on the money on the bed. I will put on the money on the bed, me I tell you, say, when I look around, me no see the girl, none of time. Like I put on my say, this is forget my friend, you know. And then me I deal with something on the dresser. By the time I look, I don't see the girl, I don't see the money. We go down a fair yard, then say she don't live there no
Me
more.
no business about that. How many money me
go
come
now.
for?
We know what you say, man. Boy, you
No,
say,
sir.
man. You know you're a friend, man.
Me and no friend no. Friendship done. Money business wait up,
You
but
go
money
get
me
the money,
want.
man. No yourself, you'll get the money.
How many money me want? Me have things out there. No, me make hell broke loose out there. Me load up my mouth and I never make
Give me a little more time, man.
5 more my money.
Wait, come. Come in further with the, you have to come in closer. Because you have to touch your face now.
Oh.
And because further with the hard you now, we never have no mind. So the thing have to come close, yeah. Alright. You have to really now.
Are you in there now?
Now?
Are you in there, but she not in there. She will come closer to you.
Alright.
You started back?
Just find the angle for you can
Right.
so just come to any angle. Just move with the look away. Anyway you can see it overnight. But not go so too much because I like go bad. Action.
My money.
You were going on now, man.
Give me my money,
I say I go deal with the money.
Check in your pocket, man.
Look
Check in
here,
your
look here.
pocket. And my money me want, you know.
Look here now. Look here. Look here. I don't have no money to throw. My friend, me a friend for 19 how long you know.
Me a friend again.
Me-
Me a friend again.
You know,
You
some of that come
come,
here. I don't like you not look for me now. Come that come in your yard, you know.
Me want my money now. No, me broke right now. Me have some bills to pay. Me now much debt. Me want people money. Me want my money.
Here we go. Me have just give me till next week. Give me till next week. Me have a plan. A piece of money we're sure. No worry yourself. It's in next week, Wednesday. You know, get the money, you can lock me up, man. Me I tell you, you're good for the money next week.
Buff with your face.
But you know, next week
You
you're
never
good.
call up for you, no.
My friend,
No, never call up.
me I come a your yard, come wake you up.
Alright.
Wednesday, next week Wednesday, come me have a little thing to deal with from the Monday. From I get from the Monday to the Tuesday, me count out for you and come link you before
me call
the
up for your money,
break.
though.
Don't worry yourself, man.
Don't make me call up
You're
for
my
you.
friend, you know. You're my friend.
You come and hide back a block. But me your friend. Me your friend, you take me to me now.
No, I'm not that man. You what going on? Me need have money for me, so me need want you to see me
From
until
Virgin
me
Island.
come back
I'm
with
on
the
a
money.
bank account over there. You see, I get my
But me tell you, say
bus there,
CARRIBEAN, me I try to tell you between lines, CARRIBEAN gone with the money. And that gone with my money for
Me
school.
must see a lot here, you know.
No,
I'm
me
not
ain't
the
a friend, man. Me ain't not to worry
Me
about
no
money,
friend,
man.
I'm the money me
Me
want.
not to worry about no
When you
money,
come out
yeah?
the money, me nobody and no friend.
Enough respect for lend me money and say so long, yeah?
What going Kayla?
Listen, you know where I come from?
Where?
Round the road, look at my money. After the man borrow my money and tell me, say 2 weeks time, I'll give back my money. You know how much time pass? 3 months pass and I'm not get back my money.
So what am I do? Hide you?
I hit him at door, call him on the phone, I call him on the phone first, I never know send the road for the other roads. Call him on the phone, ask him say when there. He said they are foreign. They born on the island. Virgin Island. I don't know about that then, but he said they born on Virgin Island. So I say, you know, all the foot of the country and I tell me, you never pay me money before you leave, right? What? It just happen suddenly. You never expect it. And then I said to him, say, where me the money? Send me the money for my account, right? That man ever tell me, say, starting there, no bank account, no bank, no did there, no did there at all. I come up with phone and go on the road. I ain't that if they run and hide back on one block. So you talking about my money coming one, my money no be broke no.
So what you say?
He said not have it. He said, oh, he put it on the table. So I said the money, since he said put it on the table, I was on the bed and then to a pay no mind and woman TV. Like me the thing that make woman TV money.
Like that.
So he said by next week Wednesday I go and get it.
Like
Next
that.
week Wednesday come and I get my money in Jessica. Tell go and broke I'm going to cut off your locks them.
Me not ring him. But I do the same thing too.
I'm fit in them. Hurry up, so much fit in.
Yeah, relative.
So where your daughter there?
You know, say, ain't gone up on my friend them.
Oh. So right now me can't, but right now I'm started getting me money. But anyways,
You know, I want to ask you. You know the name of them up at Candy Yard? They up there?
no, they don't come. I think around tomorrow too. I don't know when they come. I'm not sure if they might come anytime soon, but tomorrow probably or next week or sometime. But they soon come, them gone.
Alright, no problem. Just let me know when they come here. No, I just want to see them and talk to them also.
Oh, but anyways, I'm gonna pack my comfort skills.
In the kitchen, I'm ready, you can't take it.
I'm sorry, if you go for the pot.
Alright, then I see me do something.
You know, say come like fire. When I lay on my pot, I go for conky, go back for my pot conky. I lay on my pot, I know I come for my pot, I can't get my pot. I never see them
do something. You can't walk up in the kitchen, you go like a stranger.
I'm not going to the kitchen.
You're a stranger?
I'm not going to the kitchen. How much I don't even bother want to pack there. Because look how long I have my pack now. Who are that 3 days?
Don't take out the stress for me.
I don't like them people things.
Don't take out the stress for
I
me.
let them think that I can't get it back. I make it on the most way.
What? It's alright. Let's go for your pack.
I don't want to pack there because I don't know what to do with the pack there. Because look how long the party
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Eh?
I don't know what to do, but I can't go me yard.
You know what?
They like them people.
Later.
Oh,
Alright.
later.
Later.
They come just like fire. You go buy back my pot, a matter of fact. I don't want to buy back my pot. And at 10,000 I pay for my pot, I'm come here for me 10,000. So you hold me money too. And next week, when do I make collect money from fire? Me I come fit for you too. Right, you want to open money and pay for your money, man. Hey, I don't know.
Lord, have mercy. The pot not even good. What list pot I can go give me?
Most I give thanks to like money down to the ground. You know where we go? We have a lot of things in the pipeline. You know what I mean? So for the new year, we're not to talk the things there. But we have a #1 series. We don't find if we can't see it yet, but the year go kind of serious. What you go on before the door? We are looking for new actress. So this year, serious people. Girl we believe say they want to be #1 actress in not only Jamaica but in the world. Because I believe in Jamaicans. So we can do it. So here we go on now. From February to November, any female, we go have an award. We have JAMMIWOOD award. Right? And anyone will win the female actress of the year, like the best new female actress of the year, go get a trip to Panama. Papa and them go back to Panama, we get a trip for them. We go pay for a trip. That's a part of it, plus a trophy. So we don't have to come in from in a February though. If you come register and start work. So if you don't put in the work, you know say when the award come and we go judge the audience, them go vote. You know what I mean? And the audience them go make you win. So because they love for watching us, so they want to know get a vacation. We're going to keep the award. We're going to keep the award from November, October. Between October and November, we'll keep the award. That means whoever win, go get them ticket, pay for everything and room book for December. So you're joining the movie thing, you want to go on a trip there, and you put in your work. You can win free pass to go. So we want the best out of what Jamaica have to offer. So we can see who can become the next new top actress in this region. Alright? So anyway, we're there putting some work as usual. But tell a friend. And the number did there, make a link. You can work with several people. We go do the pool and then we go do the elimination. So, here we are. Contact me. Here we are. Bunny dog.